Hello, this is Shauna of my-sfi-world.com, and I just want to express how thankful I am for each and every one of my team members. You are the reason why I keep going, and I sincerely wish all of us continued success. Okay. As you can see here, I will tell you, this is our free gateway that you have an opportunity to market. As you see, it also says here, grow a second income with the world's #1 affiliate program. We're now in our 21st year. There's 22 reasons why you'll love sci-fi, and we'll touch base on each of these briefly. Here's some of them. I won't necessarily go into depth about, but do want to talk about working from the comfort of your home. You can use a computer, you can use a cell phone to do this, tablets, whatever your device is, you can do this all from the comfort of your home. If you are out and about, you can market word of mouth. You can market with those devices in that fashion as well. We do have here at SFI over 100,000 quality goods and services. They are offered to you by vendors, which are known as e-commerce affiliates. You get to start here and possibly stay here as you are learning and growing your business for free. Again, as it states here, there's no purchase requirements ever. You can start earning money within hours. We do take care of all of your orders. Is whether you have, we take care of all of your orders on this payment side, the shipping, as well as the customer service. Thousands upon thousands of people join around the world. And they're earning commissions every day here at SFI. Just want to show you here that I'm going to go to my growth tab here, that there 1,475 people have enrolled in the last 24 hours from 120 countries. As you can see, the U.S. is third. And we've had 5 signups in the last hour. This is Pakistan, they're #1. And down here is Uganda, I believe. They've had 2 signups in the last hour. Pakistan had 16. That's awesome. So these are people that are joining and supporting your business if they are assigned to you. Once you become a sponsor, you want to make sure that you stay actively communicating with your team. You can do that through what we call the team mailer. I'll show you how to get that here. Let's see, team mailer. That's going to be under here. So you can do the team mail here. You can do streaming. You can send out a mailer to your personally sponsored affiliate, your co-sponsored affiliates. You can do a personally originated affiliates, and those are people that you refer and they are added to a Powerline member of yours. So you get to pick who you want to do this with. Let's see here. Group mailing, icebreakers. Icebreakers are what you do for your PSAs, your personally sponsored affiliates. When they join underneath you, you'll send them an icebreaker, and it is just exactly what it says. They get the opportunity to for you to send an email to them, or you can do chat with them. That team mailer, like I said. And once you become a team leader, you can create your own private team forums. I can show you mine here. Let's see real quickly see, here is mine. And I've got a few threads in there. If you become a part of my team, feel free to jump in here. You get to that once you get your affiliate center. Go to forums and then scroll down, and I should be on the left-hand side on your page. All right, so that's a little bit about the enrollments that we got. I kind of went off on a tangent there, but so that's about the enrollments. No experience necessary. SFI teaches you everything that you need to be successful. You just need to get in and keep going. Yes, you need to grind for a while. Just keep going. You can be a success. There's excellent long-term residual income. That is really the key point that I'd like to hone in on. This is not a get-rich-quick business, by no means. I'm going to take you to that website here so that you can see, Sci-Fi thought of everything. When we have people that are skepticals, they have a website for us to point people to that. If you're looking at people that are saying that they are not having any success quickly, take them to this website. There's no such thing as get rich quick, but there are opportunities for entrepreneurs who are serious about building a business, a profitable online business. In 2020 alone, it is projected that online sales will be somewhere around $4 trillion. We are highly rated. We do have a stellar 4.39 out of 5 star rating that's based on hundreds of thousands of reviews. Sometimes you get these ratings and it's only 10 people. Not enough sample space there, but of 657,688 reviews, we are going to blow you away with our opportunities here at Sci-Fi. You get to, again, test drive for as long as you want. There's no obligations. There's 19 million and counting. As you can see on the website here, yesterday alone it said 1,828 people. And this does get updated daily, I believe. I've looked at it. It's different all the time, so I'm believing it's getting updated daily. Becoming an entrepreneur, I love to share this part with people. Becoming an entrepreneur can be fun. It's intoxicating, and it's very lucrative. But don't just join Sci-Fi, SFI, if you're not willing to invest some time and effort. It does take time. Success comes before work, only in the dictionary. There are no shortcuts. So I'm going to preach to you over and over again. Get active, get active, get active, get active. I'm going to preach to you. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Small steps. Don't let this get overwhelming for you. If you feel that way, stop. Go do something else. It's your business. You get to handle this the way that you want. We are here to cheer you on and motivate and inspire you. If you don't need that, let your sponsor know. All right. So, again, 21 years in business, the compensation plan. You need to, let me actually pull that up here for you. There is a compensation plan here that you can look over as you get into your back office. 50% commission value. This is what CV stands for, commission value. So you'll get to take a look at all of that when you want to. Let's see here. World-class 24/7 support and assistance. We're one of the fastest growing companies of its kind in the world. Continuous income cycling, earn 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Debt-free business. So they don't owe anybody any money. It's family owned. The key to your big commissions, or to the big commission payouts, in short, we've got something for everyone. If you like, and you are a person that has a network in your local market, you can do Localvantia. If you're not in that, but you like online marketing, you can market to TripleClicks. If you want to play auctions, in the games, shopping, you can do all of that here at SFI. Again, that local market allows you to tap into monthly ongoing commissions. And you do that by just referring people to local restaurants, grocery stores, gas stations, and more. We are a 19-plus year member of the Better Business Bureau. Please, at your convenience, take a look at that. So that's an overview. I want you to know that every morning that I wake up, the first thing that I think about is how I can help my team. Did I help my team yesterday? What can I share with them? How can I be a better communicator? And, maybe not all of that in one day, at one time, but those are the things that I think about at some part of the day. And when you take on this, what I call a coat of armor, SFI, you will feel armed to knock down those barriers, those suspicions, and help your team to grow. All right. That is all I wanted to say. If you have any questions, reach me on my leader page. You can go to http://tiny.cc/LDR, P as in Paul, G as in girl. You can reach me via my email, sfibtl, B as in boy, T as in Tom, L, O as in Oscar, H, @gmail.com. Once you join my team, you can go to my leadership page and contact me via Twitter or contact me on Facebook. I'm out there for you, trying to build us a business